Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying essentials. Make sure your LG TV is on the same Wi-Fi network as any companion devices and updated. Once done, open Settings, then All Settings, General, and enable voice recognition. Next, pair the Magic Remote. Press and hold the mic button until the LED blinks to confirm pairing. This activates the TV's voice engine so you can speak commands. Do this now to move into testing and refining recognition accuracy without wasting time on optional extras. Once paired, fine-tune settings to improve accuracy. Set the preferred language and adjust recognition sensitivity so the TV hears you better in your room. Make sure you sign into your LG account to link streaming apps and personalized results because voice answers depend on those connections. Practice a handful of commands. Say open Netflix, search for cooking shows, or volume up 10. As you speak, vary distance and volume to learn the sweet spot for reliable responses. To complete setup, explore advanced features like natural language searches and smart home control. Link devices via the home dashboard so you can say things like turn off living room lights or set picture mode to cinema. Once done, test multi-step commands and tweak preferences. If voice fails, restart the TV and router first. Next, clear voice recognition data in settings to reset learning. If problems persist, repair the remote. These steps resolve most recognition and connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.